Hi, let's see together what I bought on HSN's October Craft Day. First, I want to show you the today's special that I bought from that event. They had the new tool Cricut came up with on today's special. It's a foil transfer kit, and with the special foil they have for this system with which transfers with pressure. I will review that item in future videos. So we have a diamond press die set that I bought. This one wasn't new for this craft day event. Actually, they came up with it last month, but they had it in a pretty good price on this event, so I grabbed that. Pretty nice size dies, and you get the shadow dies with them. So, and the good thing with diamond presses, they always send one of these folders with their dies. I don't have a marquee, but I don't know, maybe I get one someday, so I like to have extra folders for that purpose. These are the words: let your light shine, be strong and gorgeous, faith, hope and love. You are loved. You are loved. And I hope you can see it. Rejoice, fear not, you are mine, peace, faith, and some pretty flowers and foliage, and even this swirly thing for decorate them. Okay, so far I like this. As I mentioned, I will review these items in future videos, so please subscribe and like the video. That way I know you want to see the review for these items. We have another diamond press die set. This one is Christmas layered sentiment dies. Pretty nice size dies. And then this set we have Joy, Merry Christmas, Let It Snow, Happy Holidays, Deck the Halls, Holly Jolly, Merry and Bright, Fa La La, and a couple of snowflakes, hollies, and foliage, and pretty stuff to decorate your cards or project with. We have Crafter's Companion, Balloon Celebrate Essentials. Let me show you the packaging and how they looks like for now. And these are the stamps and dies you get in this bundle. They are pretty good size stamps, so we will see. I do have their other balloon sets, so I need to check if these are different size and I know I have these shapes, but I need to see if they are different sizes or they are the same, so to decide if I want to keep it or not. I will review this item as well. We have a Crafter's Companion Favor box dies, the new box dies they came up with. So let's open it and see it together. Oh, they are pretty small, but we will see. I will make boxes with this. Okay, this is really small. I haven't had a vision how small it could be, but yeah, I will review that as well, so we'll see how it works. This is the instruction they have, and this one. This one is not that bad, but it's still small. We'll see how they look like when you put it together. Okay, we have butterfly and blooms die. These are from the new designer they work with. Sorry, I don't remember her name though. I should have checked that. I will list all the items in the description. So, okay. And I really like the packaging more. I don't like those sticky things. Pretty nice size butterfly. Nice size die which says thinking of you. Cool stamp and die set. Yeah, these are coordinating dies for these stamps, and it looks nice. And I can see there's a name of the designer, Sharon, Callis, I think. I hope I pronounced her name correct. So far I liked all the stamps and dies we have in this collection, or this bundle actually. Okay, nice quilling dies to make this pretty flower. Another quilling dies which makes this flower. Let's see what we have next. Another one of the balloon stamps from Crafter's Companion. One of the bundles they had. Nice stamps and coordinating dies with it. These are like 5 inches. Yeah, these are like 5-inch stamps. Cute birthday balloon stamps and the coordinating dies for that. Thanks. And that's the coordinating dies that came with. And last and not least, we have the word love. Next I have, oh, that's Crafter's Companion Christmas words dies, and yeah, this is supposed to be a very big dies. Let me open them. Actually, I got this set to compare it with that diamond press Christmas word dies, and these are definitely bigger and you don't get the shadow for this, but I will review that and we will see it together how they looks like. Happy holidays. Oh, by the way, the first one was From Our Home to Yours, and I do like one of some of the words or sentiments in this collection, like From Our Home to Yours. It's kind of different. This one says Season's Greetings. We have, I'm not sure I should open all of this or not. This one says Merry Christmas, and I definitely will open this one though, because it has a bunch of small dies. Oh, they're so cute. Bunch of small dies that you can decorate with them. Oh, they're so cute. Okay. This is a bundle Crafter's Companion put together for HSN. For these new dies, they came up with these bag dies they have, and they make dimensional pretty bags, like purses actually, I would say, and I really like them. Let me open at least one of them to show you the size of, or I will open all of them because I'm excited to see how the dies looks like, even though I will try that later. They're so cute, and I think they would be a nice size for gift cards. Oh, look at this, look at the shoe. Even though I have a prettier shoe dies from Tattered Lace, but it's cute. You can design it however you want, in my opinion. Oh, so cute. Look at the lipstick. So cute. Oh, I can't wait to try these dies. Okay, we have Anna Griffin Snow Globe Easel dies. I think this one already sold out. I'm not sure they're going to stock up on that or not. But at the time I'm recording this video, it's already sold out. Oh, very nice dies from Anna Griffin, and yeah, it's a pretty snow globe dies, easel die actually. Yeah, I love the snowman. Okay, we have Anna Griffin Christmas ornament dies. That's Anna Griffin ornament dies. We have Anna Griffin Christmas tree pop-up dies. Oh, this is cute, and it's really a big size. Let me measure the tree. Yeah, they're like 5.5 inch. And we have the Nativity shadow box dies from Anna Griffin. Look at this huge dies. And you do get the dies for the dresses, not the dresses, the I don't know, the clothes of the characters, so you can design them however you like. And at the end, I wanted to include this bundle as well from Crafter's Companion, which is a Twirling character stamp and dies bundle. I already made the video for this bundle, kind of a review one, and I used this stamps and die set to make a card, and you can watch that video after this one. Really appreciate you being here. Please like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Peace out, you.